Hello, welcome back to another video of Harry Dad Autos, and today we are back with a BMW, and at the moment it's just me because Dad is out with the horse doing fancy, so I've been left home alone where I'm going to do the right thing and work on the car. So, I haven't done much so far. I'll show you what I've done. It's not a lot. So all I've done so far is take off these like 6 bolts from here that hold the rubber lining on the top of the bumper. And then all I've done, I've literally only took off 1 bolt. See that there? I've just took that off there. That's literally it. That's as far as we've come so far. Which came from up here on the bracket, which attaches the front bumper to this. And we've done that. And then there's down there, you can probably see better. There's bolts there. I assume there's more further around. So we're going to basically, it's going to be probably a quick video because I'm only taking it off this video. I'm not fixing it all. Yeah, we're going to be taking off the bumper, so I'll set up to show you them bolts. See you in a sec.
Taking the piss, I've been standing here for 30 minutes.
Alexa,
Why is it?
pause. Well, as you've seen there, I've just went to take the bolt off. It is so rusty, it is just immediately snapped off as soon as I put a bit of force in it. I feel like we're going to have a few of these. I mean, I hope not. But I feel like there's going to be a few of these, so there's not much I can do about that now. But I'm going to keep on going around and I'll apply a little less pressure, see if I can ease them out. I'll hit them with a bit of WD, or as we have, RP90. See if that works. And yeah, I guess we're going to continue going around and getting this cracked bumper off. Alexa, unpause. Realistically, we're going to have a scan for the other bolts because I have no clue where they'll be, and I assume there's more than like 4 bolts holding this on. So we'll do that now. We'll get this bolt out and then have a look about for the other ones. Okay, I don't know if you can really see it, but the next bolt is there. It's that bracket bolt there, so hopefully this doesn't snap off like the other ones. We're going to put a bit of RP on there just to make sure. I don't even think that has a back to it. Hold on, this might hopefully just pop straight off. Can't get the top part to unrust, which is not a big deal because we got the bolt out, so we know it's not actually being held by anything, as you can see. So I assume the rest are like down and under there, so we're gonna have a scout about, see if we can find them, and I'll get back to you when I find the next couple of bolts. Okay, I didn't mean to do this, but I did it. Basically, when I was fiddling about a bunch, I started taking obviously I also got what's called this trim off. And I took these bolts out here and then bolts out up there, and then just popped off really. So now on the other side, all we've got to do is take out 1, 2 bolts, and then this side should pop off. And then that should be the bumper off. So I'll try and get a video of this side. Hopefully that this side comes off as easy as this side did, because this side really all need, well, obviously two screws. Came out, so hope the other side's as easy. We'll try and get a little vid. Okay, I'll do that now. Okay, the bumper, as you've just seen, is dropped off. So we've just got to disconnect these wires here, which really I shouldn't have it hanging by. Disconnect these wires, and then that should be the bumper off. So let's get into that. Just in time for Mum and Dad coming back. We have got off the bumper. We've got off the bumper. I'm gonna have to go help with that now. But thank you for watching. I hope you like to follow again to see the next one. And I'll see you again when we get either the bumper fixed or the gearbox back on.